So today we are making the trip to manhood. We are installing the quick release steering wheel for my car. I've had this piece of junk for too long. Yeah, we're switching to the big boy steering wheels. I got this because Eliminate had it, but turns out the quality is not what I expected. So Karina bought this for me for my birthday, my beautiful loving girlfriend, and it took 2 months to get here because they were making it. What is that? For $500, man? I would think that would come without that little cut, or it would be like a one-piece leather, but no. I mean, it's alright, but it's just not what I expected from a $500 steering wheel. So we got the Energy quick release right there, and David's getting to it already, but stupid, you don't even have the old one off yet.
I know, I asked you for a screwdriver and I brought it. You got torch bits?
What?
Look like stars.
Yeah, remember we got the ball sack one. Here you go, ball sack screwdriver. So everything's going good with the manual swap so far. I've had no problems with the car except driving it. That's just because I don't know how to drive manual yet, but I'm getting pretty good at it. Everybody's got to start somewhere, so I'm just starting a little late. And yeah, look, we got the sporty red still here. You know, I had to keep that there. You know, we're just balling. We're just balling back here with the red. And then look, David, if you want to buy anything from Japan, boom.
That's your dealer?
Yeah, dude, look, it all comes from Japan. 2019 Vertex. We got headlight restoration. If any of y'all want this, bro, this is a hookup right here. We got the coupons. Japan quality. You know, it'd be really cool, or like a good idea, David.
What?
We take the other steering wheel that we got and we can figure out how to take this one off.
I mean, if you want to look at it.
That's a good idea, right? Because we got this one from the manual swap. Someone sent it to us. Here you go. 2 bolts. We gotta take this off.
Yeah.
The airbag.
Yeah. So you want to disconnect the battery then?
Yeah.
I got these.
Alright, so we're gonna record this in case it blows up in David's face.
Tears off my thumbs.
At least it was part of the car. You're gonna remember that and be like, I got no thumbs because of this car.
And I'm gonna burn the car.
Now you're gonna be like, damn, I have so many memories with this car. Get right in front of it. I wanna see it blow up. It's good content. Boom! While I was dazing off, David got it, so. That's the horn in the airbag. David, be careful. At any moment, this thing could explode. So we've never used this breaker bar before, but we're finally putting it to use. We've got to get the main bolt in between everything, and we're thinking about using this. We got that medium extension on it, and we got a, I think a 19, right?
I guess.
Oh shit. Damn, my Sparrow's got the super rare cruise control, and we're taking that hoe off.
Super rare cruise control.
I'm selling this for like $1 million now. It is, I promise you, it's super rare. Everybody's like, does my Spider's cruise control? So now we gotta take off this thing in the middle, which shouldn't be that easy, hard. Bro, think of me driving like this. Can I?
You think they put vice grips on them?
Really? Damn, that's ghetto. So we ran into a little problem. There's a quick release adapter that we didn't know that we needed. So we need the adapter plus the quick release and then the steering wheel. And you don't have the adapter, so we're gonna have to wait till we get it in 2 days and then we can finish this install. All right guys, so it's 3 days after we did the original video and I finally got the adapter, so here it is. This is what the adapter looks like. It's just a small little thing that goes and we can attach the quick release hub now. Only problem is that I was fitting it on there, now the damn thing's stuck on there. So can't get it off. So I guess hopefully it's centered because I can't really take this on. I pounded on it, and it won't come off. So the old quick release hub that I got off the internet from eBay.
Oh shit.
Exactly, was shit. So in the inside, or where the wires are, and they're supposed to be on the opposite side, so that you can connect the horn to that, and then connect the horn to the other side of that. So when you put them together, which you can on this one because the wires are blocking it, but when you put it together, you can make the honking noise. On this one that we bought today, it doesn't even have wires, so that's the reason why we're not gonna have a horn anymore. So no airbag and no horn. Maybe I'll try to fix this and then eventually put this in, but for right now, this will have to do. So what we're gonna do now is put the steering wheel on the quick release and then put the button on there and then actually try to fit it on the car and then hopefully it's centered. So we're gonna put this in here and there we go. There's the honker. And then we should be able to put it inside of here. Everything's looking good. The 4 little balls are up at top. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at when I'm driving from now on. Now we can attach this thing back here and we can fit it on the car and hopefully it's straight. You hear that little clink?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice. All right.
Music to your ears.
Yes, music to my ears. So my energy logo, I want it to be facing everybody, so it's gonna be facing this way, so you know, when people look at my car, they'll be like, dang, you got energy. I'm like, hell yeah, I do. So we're putting the big nut back on. Oh, you got a problem with that, Karina?
No, but you said big nut.
Oh, you got a big nut. I'll give it one extra hee-haw for the road. Okay, that's the one extra hee-haw. Moment of truth. It's a little slanted now, but I feel like the wheels also turn, so. All right, so now is the moment of truth. I got all 6 bolts on, and I got the steering wheel right here. So we're gonna see if it works. Ooh. Hopefully that's straight. So what does it look like? Straight?
It looks straight to me.
Yes. Ooh, Karina, come over here and look at that. Damn. Damn. Now I gotta put one last piece back on. Hey! It's not the eliminate channel.
There's a mosquito.
Uh-huh. Alright, so we got the beeper tag right here, and we're about to put it on the beeper. Let's get it.
Let's do it together.
How the hell are we supposed to do that?
I don't know, just let me pretend I'm helping.
Okay. We'll pretend to peel this off. Are you pretending?
Yeah, imagination.
Alright, now you're pretending to put it on.
No.
You touched it, alright?
Okay. Look, I'm helping.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh, look, the horn works. Oh, it's not even in there. What the fuck? Get in there. What the bullshit type of sticker is this? I like how it says Japan in the middle. At least it says Japan, you know. I feel like I'm getting something from Japan. I'm pushing the sticker on. This better stay. I swear to God if this falls off. It's starting to peel already. Alright, but still. Energy did a really good job. Look at this. I thought when I first started watching Lemonade, I watched your S2000 video. And when they went like this and made this sound. What the fuck? That was not a good one. Okay. Ready guys? I thought they put that in there. No, that's what it sounds like. And I can't wait to hop in this car every single day and hear that beautiful noise. One more time. Perfection. Now let's wash the car.
Hollow beats, bitch. Hollow beats, bitch. Hollow beats, bitch. Hollow beats, bitch.
Shawty from Japan, she gon' fuck me like a